Your Roku TV keeps turning off by itself, the screen goes black, or it drops into sleep mode for no reason. This video covers why this happens, and in this video, I will show you the exact steps to fix the problem, whether your Roku TV won't stay on long enough to access settings, or the menu works normally. If your Roku TV turns off so fast that you can't even open the settings, start with the power cable and power source. Check if the power cord is loose at the back of the TV or at the wall. A loose connection can cause the TV to shut down suddenly. Make sure the TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet and not into a power strip or extension, because unstable power can make the TV turn off on its own. Next, check the remote control. A stuck or faulty power button can send the power signal again and again. Take the batteries out of the remote and see if the TV still turns off by itself. If the problem stops, then the remote is the issue. You can also clean the remote buttons to make sure none of them are stuck, especially the power button. Now disconnect all external devices from the TV. Unplug every HDMI and USB device connected to it, like a console or sound system. Turn the TV on with nothing connected and see if it stays on. If the TV works fine this way, then one of the connected devices is causing the shutdown problem. After that, try a soft power cycle. Turn the TV off and unplug it completely from the wall. While it's unplugged, hold the power button on the remote for about 30 seconds. If your TV has a physical power button, hold that button for 30 seconds as well. Then plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on to check if the issue is fixed. Finally, do a temporary isolation test. Leave the TV on without connecting it to Wi-Fi and without any external devices attached. Let it sit idle for a while and see if it turns off on its own. This helps confirm whether the issue is coming from the TV itself or from something connected to it. If you can access the settings normally, start by restarting the Roku TV. Go into Settings, then System, then Power, and select System Restart. This can clear minor software glitches that cause the TV to behave unexpectedly. Next, check the power and timer settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Power, and open Auto Power Savings. Turn off the option that shuts the TV off after 4 hours. Also disable any 15-minute inactivity timer. After that, check the sleep timer and make sure it is set to off so the TV does not shut down automatically. Now turn off the bandwidth saver feature. This setting can turn the TV off after a period of inactivity. Go to Settings, then Network, then Bandwidth Saver, and turn it off to stop the TV from powering down on its own. After that, check the screensaver settings. Some screensavers can make it look like the TV is turning off when the screen goes black. Go to Settings, then Theme, then Screensaver, and either change the screensaver or disable its start time so it doesn't interrupt what you're watching. Next, look for Fast TV Start or Fast TV Streaming. On some models, this feature can cause the TV to turn on or off unexpectedly. If you see this option in Settings, turn it off and check if the issue stops. Now check the control settings for other devices. HDMI devices connected to the TV can control its power. Go to Settings, then System, then Control Other Devices, and disable this option. After that, test the TV again, preferably with HDMI devices removed. Then check for a software update. Go to Settings, then System, then System Update, and select Check Now. If an update is available, install it. Once the update is done, restart the TV and see if the problem is resolved. If nothing has worked so far, the last option is a factory reset. This should only be done if all other fixes fail. Keep in mind, this will remove apps, settings, and saved information. To do this, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and select Factory Reset. After the reset, set the TV up again and test if it stays on properly. That's it for this video on fixing a Roku TV that keeps turning off by itself. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get your TV to stay on without random shutdowns or black screens. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you or you're still facing the issue, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.